do this. So these are a mixture. Some of these are actually, this one here is a Shetland. Now she is a cross, a Shetland Borrow cross. He's a Shetland Borrow cross. This one is a beautiful beast indeed. There, she is actually a Borrow, and that's a Borrow. Oh, and he is beautiful. So let's go. And so I've never done this before, doing a live. I think we lost connection for a moment now. So let's just see where we're at. And I've got bucket jumpers. We try to get into the bucket with the food. Oh, there we go. It's gone all over the shop. And this is actually beet that I'm feeding them today. So that's actually even beet. I'll count it as I'm going through. So I've done that's about 3 scoops. They've had a mixture of food today. Obviously they're grazing. The grass is actually quite poor at this minute, so I've got to move them soon. And let's put another scoop over there. Here we go. Let's put another scoop. Let's count the scoops. I think I'm up to about 6. Another scoop. So today they've had obviously beet this morning. They've had beet now, and they've had a mixture of sort of veg, a little bit of veg this afternoon, and sort of actively changing everything all the time here. And so they are. She's beautiful. She is. She's actually a Borrow. That one's a little bit of a mix. So here we go. So I'm going to feed them more now. Anyone, don't forget to like and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. I do have lots going on my channel, loads and loads. So I got archaeology, I got acting, I got sort of fringe politics, farming, book writing, sort of opinions, life, teaching, yeah, lots of things. Jack of lots of all things. Bigger. So anyone who's up, don't forget to like and subscribe. So we're with my sheep at this minute. I'm just feeding them some sort of beet this afternoon. So I've nearly, they've already had a munch of this. So I'm going to put another scoop there. So we're going to go to the other sheep now. Let's sort of move around. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Sometimes I wonder why I'm actually doing this stuff on YouTube and TikTok. Sometimes very few people watch, but it looks like there's 10 people out there now. As I say, subscribe and like. Anyone joining my channel, it's £1.99 a month, so they really welcome. So I've got to get another scoop done. So there we go, that's them done. So let's sort of go into the other field with the other sheep. And these, and some of you are wondering, why are some of these sheared and why are some not? We went through a weird period of rain, and it kicked my shearing time out. So we're going to feed more of these now. They say don't forget to like and subscribe. And obviously there's not many people interested in this feed now. There's not. This is just probably end it soon actually. But anyone's interested in sheep, look at those curvy horns there. Again, that one's our pure pedigree Borrow male. Not many of him around on the planet. Right, so we're going to put another one there. I might put a couple more scoops in there actually, because there's a bit of liquid in there, so that'll help. And why am I feeding them beet? Because I need to transfer the fields at this minute, and we've got to sort of fence off another bit of a field soon. So anyone out there, I've got 14 watchers and only one person who's liked. So get your liking done. And again, anyone who wants to join my channel, be really, really useful. So won't be able to hear it, but I got some goats in the distance, so I've got to try and bring them in soon. And it's solstice, isn't it? Sort of, maybe I could do a live solstice feed early hours of the morning. I don't know. Can't be bothered to get up. But oh yeah, there are a few people on there. Emil Skelton just said hi. Hi guys. Thanks for being there. Thanks for saying hi. And there you go. That's good. Yeah. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Emil Skelter, if you wanted to join my channel, which is £1.99 a month, you do get extras, and if you do join, I'll send you a copy of one of my books. Yeah, I'm an author as well. Lots of stuff on my channel. And guys, anyone's interested, do I do sort of here, sort of oh, hang on a minute, let's look at that. Can't see myself. Look at the sun there. Absolutely beautiful. Isn't that great? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And this one here, he is actually Shetland Cross Borere. I got the fleece has already been ordered for him, and I've got to I got to get the rest of these sheep sheared soon. I really do. As I say, these have been sheared. That one has. That one has. That one has. Those two there. That one hasn't. So it's just trying to get everything done. Sort of. Do you know what? Right. It'd be so much easier being a politician. Just get people to do stuff for you. The reason why I mentioned that, it's been a really political week, hasn't it? So what do I do? Hi, can you marry me? Laura, I'm already taken, but if you do join my channel, £1.99 a month, it'd be absolutely great. Who's this one? The real Hamidrera. What do you write? Oh, I write books on archaeology. I got some novels coming out. I got ghost books. You can get my name out there. It's KARL-JAMES Langford. KARL-James Langford. You can get, yeah, you know, if anyone's interested in any of my books. I still got a popular book out there which you can get on eBay and Etsy, which is called Romans in South Wales. And I've also got Ghost of Glamorgan 1, Ghost of Glamorgan 2. And guys, do you want to see my goats? Oh, Laura is fine. Laura, I'm glad you love me. Glad you do. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I don't often do these things live, but maybe what I could do, is sort of do a solstice thing, right? When do I do a solstice thing? Early hours of the morning, maybe 5 o'clock, and we can watch the sun. Now, what I could do, guys, I love you, Gozella. I love you, I'm a boy. So, Laura, yeah, I'm glad people want to marry me. Makes me feel good. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, one last look at the sheep, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to take people. I just put the bucket down there now, and so we're going to go down to the fort now. So I'm an archaeologist. I love you, Carl. I hope you are gay. I'm not actually. I'm not gay. I'm not gay. So I just sort of an average bloke type thing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. What I'm going to do, right? We're gonna go down, right? Need to shear her soon, right? Need to shear him. Right, look at him. Oh, doesn't he look absolutely gorgeous? Now he's my ram. He's the absolute troublemaker. Right, guys. I'm gonna probably stay on for another 5 minutes, maybe a bit more, depending on how my reception is. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna look at that there. And maybe what I could do, obviously it'd be from the opposite direction. Maybe what I could do, followed by a sheep. Now he's a proper sheep. She's a sheep's. Right, big difference. And I like to say, you are Gozella, gorgeous, like that. It's cool. So anyway, so it's just trying to get so many different things done. I keep myself busy, so it keeps the demons away and the thoughts, that type of thing. I've got OCD as well. It might not seem it, but I do. So let's just see what we've got next. I gotta bring the goats in. The goats are absolute nightmare. So don't forget to like and subscribe. So who have we got? Where do you live? Where do I live? I live in Cymru, Wales. I would if somebody said, right, we can move everything to sort of Russia, I would go, or we can move everything to Orkney, I'd go. I'm not really keen on Cymru, Wales. The countryside is beautiful, but the people are not in the main. There are lots of people really nice in Cymru, Wales, but there's a few people that are not nice, and that really spoils it. So, so what we're going to do now, it's 9 o'clock, right? And I'm going to bring the very mischievous goats in. Now the goats, they're very mischievous. Very, very mischievous. I don't know who we've got there, right? I don't know who we've got there still. But it's good to have you all there. Laura and the real Hamid Reza. Where do you guys live? Anyway, so I'm gonna go to the woodland now, and we're gonna see the goats, and let's just see where we go. I'm just gonna work out, how do you respond to any of these things. Now I'm just gonna have a little look in the postal box. So there we go. Nothing there. And what I've got to do is I've got to get the lock done. So there we go. Right, there we go. That's that there. Brilliant. Good. Oh, hang on. I've got the wrong number on the lock. So lock. Top class security, this. So there we go. Opening the lock. Lock. As I say, guys, anyone who actually anyone who joins my channel, right, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also if you get the notification bell thingamajig on, and then what can happen, right? What can happen is that you will get notifications of when I'm next on live, next on live. So yes. So I don't know, anyone still watching? As I say, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hi Gozella, I'm back. I like the name Gozella, it's good, isn't it? Right, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. And again, if you guys join my channel, which is £1.99 a month, right, you get extra stuff, extra content. Some of it quite really deep content, right? And Laura, don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. And notifications bell on next. So I don't know how long we're going to be on, because I've got to get the goats. I've got to get the silly goats. Oh, good. Glad you sub. And Laura, if you did join my channel, which is £1.99 a month, I'll even send you a copy of one of my books. So there we go. Can't get any better than that. So we're gonna go down here now. And guys, thanks for joining me today. I'm gonna see how the goats come out. It's quite a difficult path to get my goats. It's like a So, Laura, I can't marry you, Laura, because I'm actually, I'm just sort of taken. That's the problem, Laura. No, it's not the problem. It's just that that's the way it is. But it's good to have support. And by the way, I am an actor as well. So you look me up, KARL-JAMES Langford. I am actually an actor as well. And for those new people who've actually joined us, glad we got peace. Peace is good. Peace is a good thing. Guys, like and subscribe. We're in the woodland. Let's have a little look at the woodland now. So I've had the goats clear in this woodland. Doesn't this woodland look great? So sort of it's our own larch woodland. It's not a big thing. You are gay, and I am gay because you married me. Oh, right, okay, fair enough. That's fine. So if you're a woman who's gay, and you're saying I'm gay, right, then that's fine. Best of mates, best of buddies. That's good. That's good. So here we go. Go back to the woodland. This is our woodland. Laura, just stop. Laura and the other person whose name whatever your full name is, right? Then don't worry about it. Anyway, so look at these goats. Like what they've done, right? So you tie a goat to a tree, and it sort of clears all the stuff around it, which is great. Yeah. So this one here, doesn't he look lush, hammy? Okay. Here we go. But I love the hammy. My God, so you two know each other. I've got like 6 people watching. Everyone, don't forget to like and subscribe. I tell you what, if you two know each other, right, and one of you actually joined my channel today, right, then I'll send you 2 books. Oh, I'm from the Czech Republic. Ah. Do you know what? A little bit of a secret, guys. I fell in love with a woman from the Czech Republic. I really did. And I just remember when she left the UK for the last time, it was like she phoned me from the airport and that was it. I didn't hear from her again. So Czech women are complete heartbreakers. They really are. And this woman was absolutely fucking gorgeous. But that's in the past. That's a long time ago. So there's a woman I've got in my life now. She's gorgeous as well. But this woman had black hair. But woman this minute's got red hair. So there we go. And we've got to chase the goats. Go chase the goats. Oh my God. Chase the goats. The problem is with goats, right, is that they can be very annoying. And sort of like what we got here. So we've got one goat here. And it's just going to be a nightmare. Now, we don't know each other. I'm actually from Iran. Oh, for God's sake. So, Laura's from the Czech Republic. Good country of the Czechs. And Hami is from Iran. So, do I say, Assalamu alaikum, Ismi KARL. But then again, Iranians don't speak Arabic, do they? They speak a more ancient Persian language, which is great. Can you cook? Can I cook? Can I cook? Sorry, the sound went a minute. Sorry. One of you was asking, can I cook? Yes, I can cook. So I can cook. So as I was saying, boiled potatoes, my potatoes, which we grew, and then there was, what else was there? Radishes. So I cut up 3 of my radishes, which I grew as well, and then we had some butter, sort of some local butter and cheese. What's this? Yes, but we do say salam. There is another equivalent. It is a durod. Is that right? Durod? Do you know, I do like the Persians. I really do. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Anyone wants to join my channel, please do. And may peace be upon the Persian Empire and the Persian people forever and ever. So there we go. So my Arabic, Assalamu alaikum, salaikum, assalam, Sukram, is me Carl. You can call me James. I prefer to be called James. I want to learn some Russian actually. So if I ever go to Russia, I'd like to learn some Russian. So that'd be absolutely great. So we're going to get, you know, with everything that's happened to the Persian world, we're still there. I do know a little bit about the Persian world. I've taught enough of it anyway. Do you know, guys, I was meant to be going out to Iraq until the illegal invasion in 2003. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the goats now. Let's have a look at the goats. The problem is with Britain now is it's starting to become a little bit like a dictatorship. We've got police that have got too much power. So very, very recently we had 4 police officers kill a guy by the name of Henry Nowak. Police officers killed somebody on camera, so it's not a really peaceful country. When we got a police force that is actually murdering people, at least in Iran, you know, you can probably retaliate better. Here, you're just arrested and put away. So Britain's not a really nice place at all. It's not when you've got police officers killing people. Henry Nowak, rest in peace. So probably come to the end of the recording soon, guys. But I really wanted, really be good for you guys to keep in touch, watch my videos, like and subscribe. Again, notification bell when I'm actually next on live. So I'm going to try and get this goat in now. I'll keep you with me, guys. And here we go. So what have we got now? So what have we got now? We've got my goats, or one of the goats. Wonder my glasses have stayed on my head, to be honest. It's a beautiful evening, actually. I might do some painting. Well, painting of a caravan. So just get the goat in now. Yeah, Henry Nowak, Nowak. Basically, this guy was stabbed. Henry was stabbed, and basically the police handcuffed Henry Nowak. When in fact he wasn't the one who was stabbing somebody. The police didn't believe that Henry Nowak had been stabbed, and the police stopped this guy. Guy was saying he had problems with breathing, all sorts of things, and Henry Nowak was killed by 4 police officers. And no justice in Britain anymore. Really, really not. Nowak, Nowak. Look it up. Look up Henry Nowak. a man who will be remembered. He's a bit like that Floyd bloke in the United States. The difference with Henry Nowak, he was completely innocent. And so what I might do is I'm going to probably come to an end of this recording now. I've never really done a long sort of live like this before, but if people have liked me doing the live today, then that's absolutely been brilliant. So, again, like and subscribe would be good. And if somebody did join tonight, if somebody did actually join my channel, become a member of my channel, it's £1.99 a month. Say who you are. I'd need your address to get a copy of one of my books. That'd be good. The film, In the Name of the Father. Yeah, it's really familiar. I've seen clips of it. That's about the Irish Troubles, isn't it? In Belfast, I do believe. I'm actually an actor myself, and the problem is with I'm not getting work at this minute, which is a bit of a shame. I'm really missing the acting. Haven't done any acting work since December, and it's really letting me up. It really, really is. So Hammy and Laura. So again, don't forget to notification bell. I'm glad you've all liked and subscribed. Get people to know my channel, and I've got 4,200 odd subscribers or whatever, and we got AR Bros. Don't forget to like and subscribe, everybody. I might keep you on for a bit longer because I've got to go back over to the woodland again. Just got to check on some plants. That's what I've got to do. And it doesn't say there's anyone watching this minute. Oh, there's 2 people watching again. Oh God. We got some beautiful plants growing around here at this minute. And it was nice meeting you. Thank you. I did really enjoy the time. You live in a lovely place, beautiful sceneries. Yeah, it is. And Hammy, it'd be great to have you back again. I know in Iran you've got sort of similar landscapes and similar worlds. And obviously I've got OCD, so I can't just jump on a plane. It's not as easy for me. Thanks for joining us, guys. It really, really has been an absolute pleasure. And it's good to have a few people along on a journey, to be honest. And I do some film work in these woodlands now and again. So if you ever see my films, Wildfire Outbreak UK, and Laura, you're back. Laura, it's good to have you online. It really is. Right, I'm gonna have to go now, which is unfortunate. Really would like to have you all on again. Maybe I might do a live early hours of the morning. I don't know. I don't know how this all works. Hang on a minute. Wildfire Outbreak is called. My other channel is called Wildfire Outbreak UK. And it's got like 300 odd subscribers, but I'm actually an award-winning filmmaker for Wildfire Outbreak UK. Obviously, by the sounds of it, Hammy, you know about the Walking Dead universe. It's based basically on that. It's the British version, and we'll be making a feature film soon. And weirdly enough, if any of you guys are into filmmaking, for the film itself, we might actually have some reports coming in on that sort of day, the 25th of August 2010, in the Wildfire Outbreak universe, when that's Monument Day, when things go global in the Wildfire Outbreak universe. And so my next job tonight is going to be simply doing some film editing. So, right guys, I'm going to have to sign off. So Hammy and Laura, it's been a delight. And everybody else, like and subscribe, and as I say, £1.99 a month, join my channel. Sorry to mention that. Any money is really useful, and take care, everybody. Really take care. Thank you very much for your support. And as we say in Cymraeg, in Welsh, Cymraeg, Cymru, nos da chi, a gwelwch chi eto. Good night, and gwelwch chi eto. See you again. And gwelwch chi ifori. See you tomorrow, maybe. Diolch fawr chi. Nos da. I'm off. Diolch. Thank you. Thank you for your support. It's good to know you're there. Thank you, Hammy and Laura. Nos da. No.